Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my first ever BoxyCharm review. So I recently received my first BoxyCharm box and I was like super excited because I had never tried it. I had heard really good things about BoxyCharm. If you're not familiar with what BoxyCharm is, they are a monthly subscription service, and I believe it's $25, and you get about 5 full-size products with the value over like $175 in value, sometimes more. So it's a good subscription service. I have subscribed to other like Ipsy before, but I wasn't happy because I don't like the trial sizes. I like full size products. So I was really excited when I got this, and I just wanted to go ahead and do the well, it's technically not an unboxing because I already unboxed it, and I have used some of the products for the past couple of days, but I did want to review it for you guys, and I will link my code down below if you guys want to sign up and check it out. Yeah, it's a really good subscription service. So this is what it comes in. It comes in this little box, and from what I've seen it says BoxyCharm. From what I've seen in other like people's reviews, there's usually like a little card that shows the prices of each item, but mine didn't have it. So I am gonna look up these items while we're here and see what they retail for. I did look one of them up. So the first item that it brought was, I was super excited about this. So this is what the box looks like, by the way. Hopefully you guys can see that. So as you can tell, they're all full-size products. And the first item that it brought, that brought my attention, was the Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts KX Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptides, Smooth and Firm. It is a serum. I've been using it for like the past 3 days, and it does, my face does feel a lot smoother, and like, I don't know, it's pretty awesome. I've used it for about 3 days now. So I'll probably have more results within like a couple weeks to bring you guys. But I did look this one up. This is what the box looks like. Okay, hold on a minute. Let me adjust my light here. Okay. So, and then this is the serum. Let's see. Hopefully you guys can see that. My lighting is like acting funky right now. There we go. Okay, so it is a serum. You basically apply like 1 to 2 drops on your face. It has like the little syringe. You apply like 1 to 2 drops on your face on a freshly washed face, and it's supposed to help with like, see here, it says a high performance concentrate with a signature blend of 5 VIPs, very important peptides that work together to visibly refresh and renew skin as it firms, smooths, and hydrates. So when I looked this item up, this retailed for $99. So this alone is worth the box by itself. I was surprised. I was like, oh my god, it actually retailed for 99 bucks. I think it's on the actual website for them that it retailed for that price. So that was a good deal. The second item that I've been using every day since I got it has been the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. So it's just a face powder. It just says apply generously to all areas with concealer to bake and set your makeup. Leave on 3 to 5 minutes and sweep off the excess crease for a soft focus finish. Okay, the thing that I loved about this, I'm not a big face powder person, but what I loved about this so much is that it smells like coconut. You put it on your face and it literally smells like freaking coconut. So yeah, I'm not gonna like open it here because it's like a little white powder, but I made a mess because I just used it before I logged in here, and I made a mess. But this here, let's see how much this retails for really quick. Ciate London. Okay, Everyday Vacay Powder. Coconut setting powder. Okay, so this one retails for $22 on their website. So that's actually a really good deal. Again, we're paying $25 for the box. So already we have about 120 something bucks. So worth it? Yes. This is a good product. That serum is a really good product. It also came with these 3 brushes. They're really pretty. I haven't taken them like fully out. Let me take them out so you guys can see. They're really, and I love having new brushes because I've been like playing around with makeup a lot. So this is really helpful for me. These are by Alamar. It says Alamar. I have no idea what brand. It says a complexion brush, a bronzer brush, and a brightening brush. So that's what they look like. These are really nice. I've been using this one for the face powder. And yeah, let me see what these retail for. Alamar Brush Trio. That's not it. Okay, let's see. Okay, these retail for $36 on the website. So that's a great deal. The next item I've been using, this lipstick I'm wearing, it is a matte liquid lip stain in the color Wifey. It's by the brand Queen. QVEEN. That's the brand. And it is like a mauve color. It's a very matte color, which I love. I love matte lip gloss, matte lipstick. I don't really like the glossy stuff. So this is really cute. It's just a really pretty mauve. Perfect for Valentine's Day. That's what it looks like. And it's a really nice matte finish. So I do love it. Let me see how much that one retails for. Let's see. Here we go. This one retails for $17. Still a great deal. This is a really nice, really nice lip gloss. It's a lip stain, matte liquid lip stain. That's what it's called. And then the last item is this Faux Reals Pretty Vulgar Extreme Volume Mascara. Sorry it's so bright. I am trying out new lighting, like an actual lighting kit, and it is bright as F right now. I will get the lighting figured out. It's either too dark or too bright. But this is beautiful. Look at this. It's like a very floral, it's so cute. And it's just a black mascara, but it's like extreme, like for extreme lashes. I'm not wearing it right now. But yeah, this one is in the color black. Let's see what this one retails for. Pretty Vulgar. I'm looking things up in my computer while I'm doing this. All right. So this one retails for $24 on the Pretty Vulgar website. $24, and it's beautiful. I did try it once before, and it was, you know, it worked perfect for my lashes. So the only thing that I was kind of disappointed that I canceled my subscription because I'm not sure if I'm going to continue. Now, I love these products. Like, I think it's worth every penny because you get really good quality products. But from when I watch other like YouTubers and I watch their videos, they all have palettes in their boxes, and I didn't get a palette. So I don't know if it's just you just don't always get a palette or if they forgot to put a palette in. But I did notice other people got a lot nicer things. So I don't know how they select their stuff, if maybe it's just because like the little questions they ask you when you sign up. I love these products, but I was really looking forward to trying a new palette. So I may or may not resubscribe. I might. But I do want to try another subscription box company to review with you guys. So I was really excited to get this though. And I'm not complaining because these are good products. And, you know, for the price, like we have literally over about 200 bucks here. So definitely worth it. I will go ahead and link it down below if you guys want to check out BoxyCharm. Use my link. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys next time.